Ever since mankind decided to settle down, it aspired to build structures that could simplify their lives. That is why civilizations have always been recognized with their infrastructure and engineering solutions. With the advancement of human civilizations, infrastructure solutions have become more important than ever before. Apart from simplifying the lives of human beings, civil infrastructure plays a vital role behind the success of any country's economy. We are Swadeshi Civil Infrastructure Private Limited, providing sustainable infrastructure solutions for a brighter world. Under such circumstances, Swadeshi Civil Infrastructure Private Limited started its journey in 1977 under the visionary leadership of Mr. Ram Avatar, a postgraduate in commerce. He established this construction company with a grand vision of offering cutting-edge infrastructure by incorporating sustainable design strategies that could skyrocket the growth of our country. Mr. Ram Avatar is a well-recognized name in the construction sector. His pioneering leadership and entrepreneurial skills are the backbone of Swadeshi Civil Infrastructure Private Limited. He is known for his revolutionary outlook, firm beliefs, honesty and dedication that makes him a world-class contractor and corporate leader. His laser-sharp focus on delivering on-time projects with unbeatable quality has always ensured unmatched client satisfaction. On account of his exceptional experience and expertise, Swadeshi Civil Infrastructure Private Limited has been able to successfully deliver specialized infrastructure projects. For instance, raising roof height by 8 meters at Indira Gandhi Indoor Stadium, Indira Paryavaran Bhavan, which is India's first net zero building with passive solar building design. As the promoter, chairman and MD of Swadeshi Civil Infrastructure Private Limited, he has taken the company to great heights. He has been associated with Builders Association of India for more than 35 years. Recently, BAI elected him as its state chairman for the Delhi Centre for the second term in 2020-21. Swadeshi Civil Infrastructure Private Limited is one of India's leading construction companies that is known for its professional construction engineering and project management expertise. We have been delivering world-class infrastructure solutions across the length and breadth of this country for over 4 decades. With an initial contract of Rs 15,000, we have eventually grown into a path-breaking construction company by qualifying to bid for contracts up to Rs 650 crores on account of our continuous, dedicated efforts and extreme focus on quality. Our substantial growth is a reflection of our exceptional expertise in the domain of construction and infrastructure development. We have an unmatched record for delivering on-time projects with utmost quality that is responsible for our massive success and unblemished reputation. Swadeshi Civil Infrastructure Private Limited is a well-reputed infrastructure development firm that is involved with a wide array of activities for prestigious clients like CPWD, PWD, Delhi Tourism, HSCC, RITES and many more. Our extensive range of activities include infrastructure development for public utilities such as stadiums, hospitals, schools, auditoriums, community centers, parks, etc. We specialize in executing civil infrastructure projects with military precision. Besides that, we offer services for electrical and mechanical projects, furniture and interior projects, structural steel building works, billing and measurement, concept, design and modeling, construction management, design build. Some of our prestigious projects that have been delivered are lighting and construction work at Rashtrapati Bhavan, ITO Skywalk and Footover Bridge, construction work of Garden of Five Senses, infrastructure development and construction work for stadiums for Commonwealth Games 2010, Indira Paryavaran Bhavan under Ministry of Environment and Forest, District Court Complex, New Delhi, development of Delhi Haat, Janakpuri, INA and Pitampura. Dynamic architectural illumination of Rabindra Setu, West Bengal. MP Flats at Dr. B.D. Marg, New Delhi. And more prestigious projects. Apart from successfully delivering these projects, we have a list of ongoing projects including construction of GPOA, General Pool Office Accommodation 2 under Central Vista. New building block for LNJP Hospital, New Delhi. Construction and renovation of Cancer Hospital, Mauritius. IIT Campus, Kanpur. New building block for Delhi High Court. Construction in Zakir Hussain College. Redevelopment of Government of India Press at Minto Road, New Delhi. Despite COVID and other hindrances, we have delivered world-class projects well on time and with precision. Swadeshi CIPL's contribution towards country's infrastructural development has been well recognized in the form of various awards, including Tamrapatra by President of India, Shri APJ Abdul Kalam, for building of auditorium and banquet hall in Rashtrapati Bhavan. Outstanding Entrepreneur of the Year by Unity International. Appreciation for the valuable contribution made by Swadeshi for raising up the roof of Indira Gandhi Indoor Stadium by 6 feet. All three Delhi Heart of Delhi, Media Center at Indira Gandhi Stadium, Garden of Five Senses and other projects. Indian Leadership Award for Infrastructure Development by India Economic Development and Research Association. Best Concrete Structure Award. Denforce Popular Choice Award. 5-star rating by Green Rating for Integrated Habitat Assessments, GRIHA. Appreciation by CPWD for Indira Paryavaran Bhavan. Fastest growing Indian Construction Company Excellence Award in International Achievers Conference at Bangkok. First prize for ITO Skywalk project by Central Public Works Department, CPWD. Second prize for Court Complex at Rouse Avenue by Central Public Works Department, CPWD. Appreciation for the time-bound delivery of BSA Medical College, Rohini. Swadeshi CIPL takes keen interest in ensuring the security of its employees. Safety of our workers at our construction sites is of paramount importance for us. We strictly follow international guidelines for occupational health and safety. We value each and every life. As such, we ensure pinpointed risk assessment, provide safety equipment, and implement stringent security measures. We have a team of over 200 dedicated experts who work passionately under the guidance of our MD, Mr. Ram Avatar. Our team of skilled and professionally trained experts work tirelessly in taking Swadeshi CIPL to great heights. We aspire to undertake bigger projects like building roads, bridges, institutional buildings, while safeguarding our environment and preserving eco-diversity. Swadeshi CIPL, incorporating cutting-edge and sustainable design strategies.